What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Vinnie here, back with another video to show you guys the power of the cheat code system. Before we get actually into some trades, guys, I want to let you know that we have started an affiliate program for Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code. So we offer three types of memberships. We have a lifetime access membership, which price will be going up after November 30th. So starting December 1st, prices will increase to the original prices. Right now we're running a Black Friday special, so now is the time to get the cheat code indicator and coaching program right now, while you can get it at a discount. Okay, but after that there'll be no more discounts. The price is going to be the price. All right, so from our three memberships, you guys will be able to earn, if you sell a lifetime access membership, you'll be able to earn $2,848.49. A yearly membership, you'll be able to earn $568.29, and a monthly membership, you'll be able to earn $55.29 a month. Okay, so the actual prices will increase to $97 a month. It'll be a yearly price of $997 a year, or a lifetime access where you can pay $4,997 for lifetime access to our coaching group and indicator and other products we'll be coming out with. Okay. Other than that, guys, let's get to it. So I took a trade this morning on CHF JPY. That was what I was currently at right now. I closed it out at about $700, and I'll show you guys that in just a second. But again, the cheat code sales system. The cheat code system works, guys, and got a lot of testimonies from a lot of members, so I'm happy about that. What else is going on in the group here? This is our free Telegram group. All right, so a trade that I called out in the Telegram group today was USD CHF. All right, for a buy, and if we take a look at the chart. Let's go over here, put this over here. Let's take a look at USD CHF real quick. And let's go to the 4-hour time frame. All right, so you can see that we are in profit for USD CHF. Called that trade out today. And but what I wanted to talk to you guys about was NZD CAD, okay? Setting up to be a good trade. So let's start off with the daily time frame. I'm not gonna tell you with the daily time frame, guys. We only use the indicator for confirmation only. Okay, we only use the indicator for confirmation only. You want to make sure you're marking up your trading zones. So this would be our trading range. We have a swing high here to our swing low. Price pulled back again to our supply area. Now we're looking for price to come down. Okay, looking for price to head down. Now this would be our swing high. This would be our swing low. The price has been in a downtrend, as you guys can see. All right, so we know that the price is moving down. So our sentiment is that the market is bearish. All right. So right now on the daily time frame, we don't have a cheat code sell signal. So I'm waiting for the cheat code sell signal, but we do have one. And price is outside of the band, and I'm just waiting for that to happen on the daily time frame. So let me go ahead and turn on the indicator for you guys so you guys can see the power of the cheat code system. Okay, so if you're looking at these horizontal lines, those are just the weeks. This was last week. This is this week that we're currently in. So price is going up. I'm looking for price to come down this week. We're on a daily time frame. Let's go down to the 8-hour time frame, and we do have a cheat code sell signal on the 8-hour time frame, as you guys can see. All right, so it has come up to this area, into the supply zone, and has rejected. Okay, we do have a daily supply zone up here, so price could push up. Usually today is Tuesday. Most times we have reversals on Wednesday. So I'm not going to get into this trade just yet, okay, because we haven't gotten a cheat code sell signal on the daily time frame. But we do have one on the 8-hour time frame and also on the 4-hour time frame. And price has started to reject this area. Okay, so for right now, you can start taking sales on NZD CAD. So what might happen is price may come down to this 1-hour support and go back up to retest this daily supply zone, okay, and then come down. That's what I'm looking for price to do, okay? Or another scenario, price could just continue to come down to this 1-hour support, break back up, and then continue down, okay? So those are a couple different scenarios, but whatever the scenario is, guys, we're looking to sell. We're looking to sell. We got a cheat code sell signal on NZD CAD, which will be a nice movement. All right, from this area, let's say from this zone down to this H4 demand zone is about 300 pips. So we can get about 300 pips on NZD CAD. Okay, we can look forward to that for swing trading NZD CAD. I can't speak today. I don't know what's wrong with me, but let me just slow down, take a drink of water. I'm just really excited right now, guys. We're having a lot of success in the group. I want you guys to join us. We'll be starting our $100 to $10,000 compounding challenge inside the group. So if you guys want to take part of that, make sure you join our coaching group right now for our Black Friday price. Okay, you can get in right now for lifetime access for $97. If you pay with Bitcoin, if you pay with the credit card, it's $197 for a lifetime access. So now's the time to get started. All right, so let's take a look at some other. We had a cheat code sell signal. Also put this in a group for GBP USD. Okay, and see how price started to sell already. I'm waiting for gold to drop. I haven't got that on gold yet. I'm looking for gold to probably push up to 1800 before we actually see a cheat code sell signal. Okay, price is consolidating right now on the 4-hour time frame. USD CHF in profit right now. USD JPY, you can buy that right now. USD CAD, again, same scenario. You can look to buy USD CAD. What else? Euro USD. Let's take a look at that real quick. Again, perfect scenario. Price didn't make it. Well, it did make it to the zone. Didn't make it as high as I wanted it to go, but that's totally fine. We got a cheat code sell signal and also divergent sell signal on Euro USD. Okay, and price is selling, so we are in profit on that also. Let's take a look at AUD USD. All right, we do not have a cheat code sell signal for this just yet. Might be one on a 1-hour time frame. Let me take a look. No, we don't have one on a 1-hour time frame. So price can still push up. I'm looking to push up to this zone here. Let's take a look at it on the daily real quick. Okay, all right. So yeah, price can still push up to this zone and then come down. All right, so that's what I'm looking for on AUD USD. And let's do one last one, NZD USD. All right. Price is at a supply zone. We have a cheat code sell signal. So we can be selling NZD USD. If we go down to 4-hour, we should also see we got a divergent sell signal. So that's totally fine. We don't have a cheat code just quite yet. All right. But we do have a divergent sell signal. Okay. If price closes below this 1-hour or 4-hour, we will continue down. If it closes above like it is now, price might push up a little bit more before we actually can start to sell. Again, today is Tuesday. Usually reversals happen on Wednesday. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. Again, the system that I'm using, guys, is just for confirmation only. This indicator is highly accurate. You will never find anything like this in the world on the internet besides here with your boy Vinnie. Okay. Again, I mean, these signals are just impeccable. Okay. Impeccable. All right. So we're looking for extremes that happen in the market. So when price goes outside the band, we can be looking to take a sell or buy signal depending on certain conditions. We don't take every single buy and sell signal. Okay. There's certain rules that we have that we abide by, and you can only find that inside of our group. All right. But again, a lot of people are having success. Let me show you one of the members. He just sent me this. He sent me another screenshot, but you guys can barely see that. But anyway, he took that USD CHF signal. He says, "You're my favorite person." So he just made about $200 on that. But there's another, let's see, where's he at? There you go. Here it is. Okay, here it is. All right, so he took that USD CHF signal, made over $500 today alone. You see the date, November 15th, 2022. So you guys know this is real, okay? So again, join our Telegram group. If you want the indicator access to our rules and how you can have the cheat code, make sure you join our coaching group. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.